Robo-Cat.
Yes! Super scissor jump! Yeah! And swirling spin! Kicking cartwheel!
Great job, team. Now all together. Go!
Yo! Yay! Yeah!
Whoa! Whoops! Whoa! You really threw that one, Greg, straight into my garden. There it is. Huh? Guys! Why are you hiding? It's not funny. Greg and Amaya wouldn't have just left these. What's this? A circuit board? It must be Romeo. This is a mission for the PJ Masks. Well, one of us anyway. This PJ Mask is on his way into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave hero is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Connor becomes
Catboy. The PJ Mask. Okay, PJ Picture Player. What's this? From a robot? I knew it was Romeo. Don't worry, Greg and Amaya. Catboy's coming to save you. Cat ears.
Where is it? I must have lost it somewhere.
Got you.
I'm sure I had it in my pocket. Huh?
Romeo, what have you done with my friends?
They're here. But they work for me now.
What? Owlette, Gekko, get away from Romeo!
Negative. We will only obey Romeo now.
Something weird's going on.
Huh? Nothing to see here.
Oh, yeah? Let's shine some light on this mystery. Fireballs! What?
Greg, Amaya! They grabbed us when we were all playing outside. It was easy without their superpowers.
But if you're in those cages, who are they?
Keep away from them, Catboy!
Wait, the picture player said robots. That's not Gekko and Owlette at all.
Yeah. No, but you thought it was, when it was really my incredible robot copies. And if I hadn't lost my circuit board, you would have been one of them too.
A circuit board? You mean this?
My circuit board! Don't be too confident, kitty cat. Soon my Robo-Owl and Robo-Gekko will put you in a cage too. Then I'll rule the world and you'll never stop me again! Catboy, free us so we can help you!
Not without your powers. Don't worry, I'll get your pajamas.
Looking for these, kitty little boy?
Oh!
Yes, your pajamas are mine, and so are you!
Whoa! These robots have the same powers as Owlette and Gekko?
Oh no, much better. Just watch this.
What? Extra powers? That's not fair!
I warned you. It took years to build a supercomputer to power them, but now my robots are unstoppable, and so am I!
My tail is frozen!
Ha! A temporary effect, just long enough to put you in a cage. Your turn, Robo-Gekko. Whoa! Robots, get him and bring me back the circuit board.
Huh? I can feel my tail again! Autopilot! Ah! This is kind of fun!
After him!
This is no time for games!
Yeah!
Ha-ha! Huh? Get out of the way! I can't see! Cat car! Roar! Greg and Amaya, the incredible Catboy's coming back for you! Super Cat, please!
Well, I'm sure Catboy is on his way back here to free his friends, so keep your eyes open.
Look, they took Catboy's cat car. What have they done with him?
He should have let us help. I know we can, even without our powers.
But not when we're locked up. Give me your hairpin so I can unscrew this bar. Let's take this apart.
Guys, what are you doing?
I'm unscrewing the bars so we can get out.
Stop trying to escape. Without your powers, you'll be safer up here.
But we're almost out. One screw to go.
And we didn't need superpowers to do it.
No, wait! I'm going to get your pajamas back.
Catboy, get him, Bobo Owl!
Whoops!
Catboy, you got us caught.
Don't worry, I'll lead the robots away from you. Super Cat jump! Oh, at least I still have this. Huh? Oh, we used Super Gekko camouflage!
I thought I'd lost this. So nice of you to find just what I need, Catboy. Now that I have the missing piece, I can activate my Robo-Cat. Now nothing can stop me. The PJ masks are finished. Finished!
I gotta do something.
Huh?
Yeah! Great work, Catboy. Now let us out to help. You'll need your powers. I'll get your pajamas.
Once I push this button, my Robo will be ready.
Not so fast, Romeo.
What? Help yourself, PJ Pass.
What have I done?
Robo-Cat, powered by my supercomputer.
Not 3 robots.
Robo-Cat, lock that pussycat up.
Whoa, this is a catastrophe.
Now nothing can stop me.
Oh.
No! Greg and Amaya to the rescue.
What?
Huh? My perfect robots! How did you pesky PJ Masks get out?
It's amazing what you can do with a hairpin.
You guys really are amazing, even without your powers. Thanks.
No problem.
You were right. I should have let you help before.
Get the robots!
It's time to be a hero and let you guys help now. Super Cat, speed! Helping me defeat Romeo will be more fun as superheroes.
Amaya becomes...
Owlette!
Greg becomes...
Gekko!
The PJ Masks!
We need to get to Romeo's supercomputer. If we stop that, it'll stop the robots. Let's do it!
Huh? Go help the other robots, Robo-Cat! No!
Leaping lizard! Which of you are the real Gekko and Owlette?
I'm the real Owlette. I'm the real Gekko. I am. Now what, kitty little boy? You can't tell them apart.
Your robots may have superpowers, but they're not friends like we are. Owlette, Gekko, catch!
Yay! Kicking cartwheels! Swirling spin! Huh?
See, Romeo? I know who my friends are. Ready for our special move?
Yeah! Stop them! Whatever they're doing, stop them! Yeah!
Whoa! Time to put your bad copies back to sleep, Romeo.
No! My supercomputer!
with the supercomputer destroyed.
Nice of Romeo to build these statues of us.
PJ Masks all shout hooray! 'Cause
In the night we saved the day!